It is now 4 p.m. on August 1st, Beijing time. Yesterday, the video suggested that EURUSD should sell short above 1.1067. After the release, the highest price was 1.1046, which was 21 points away from the entry point, and fell to 1.0981 ahead of schedule, with a cumulative drop of 65 points. Then there's gold. Yesterday, it was recommended to go long below 1943. After the release, there was no callback, and it rose from 1950.7 to 1972.5 in advance, with a cumulative increase of 218 points. The two signals are in the right direction, but they can only be used as a reference for the direction without entering the market. In addition to manually operate orders, Lao Dai's main account has been using EA automatic trading programs to operate EURUSD. From July 1st to July 31st, the cumulative income was $70,724, unlimited profits every day with small lots. This month's rate of return is 11.8%, which is still in the range of 10 to 17% per month. If you want a monthly income higher than 70%, our team does not recommend and will not do so, and may even persuade you to quit. If you recognize that we maintain a monthly income of 10 to 17% and at the same time want to observe the historical operation records and the whole process of daily real-time trading, add the contact information on the screen to ask me for the main account password. And you will have a week of observation time. If it suits you, consider joining the trader group or participating in account management business. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. The CPI data released by the Eurozone yesterday fell slightly as expected, which has little impact on EURUSD. The exchange rate only started to fall after testing the resistance of 1.1050, and there was no major change in the environment. The risk events with a relatively large impact this month are the US non-farm payrolls on August 1st, and the annual meeting of global central banks held by the Federal Reserve in Jackson Hole on August 24. It is expected that various central banks will share their outlook on the next monetary policy. The market will not move much until more information is available. During the day, EURUSD can continue to pay attention to the resistance of 1.1050, and you can sell short at 1.1033 to 1.1096. Stop loss at 1.1108. The short-term support is 1.0925 and 1.0875, and you can go long at 1.0915 to 1.0850. Stop loss at 1.0840 at the same time. However, gold has changed. More central banks have revealed signs of raising interest rates for the last time, and the worries in the banking industry are sweeping back, which may become the first factor for the Fed to consider suspending interest rate hikes. In terms of the trend, the support below 1940 is still valid, and it is recommended to go long in 1945 to 1932 and put the stop loss at 1930 within the day. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point view sharing, but it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading business. The target point is not placed on the video. Lao Dai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation, and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Philip Fisher.